Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we are learning countries and nationalities CEFR Year 5 Starter Unit. Okay, we are going to look at countries in the world and its nationalities. There are 195 countries in the world and we are only going to learn 12 of it. Okay, we are going to learn about Australia, Brazil, China, Egypt, India, Italy, Japan, Mexico, Spain, Turkey, the UK and the US. Okay. So look at this world map. We have numbers in it 1 until 12. So we are going to locate the countries according to its positions or location in the map. Okay. Number 1, the US, and the nationality is American. Okay, we call the people of the US as American. Okay, the American guy or the American lady. Okay. Number 2, Mexico, and the nationality is Mexican. The Mexican man or the Mexican food. Number 3, Brazil, and we call the people of Brazil as Brazilian. Okay, the nationality is Brazilian. The Brazilian footballer, pemain bola sepak Brazil. Okay, the Brazilian footballer, for example. And number 4, the UK, the nationality is British. Okay, the British king. Okay, the British man. Number 5, Spain, the nationality is Spanish. Okay, the Spanish flag. Okay. Number 6, Italy, and we call the people of Italy as Italian. And the nationality of it is Italian. The Italian restaurant, okay, restaurant, Italy. Number 7, Turkey, we call it, the nationality is Turkish, okay, the Turkish meal or the Turkish food. Number 8, Egypt, the nationality is Egyptian, okay, the Egyptian king, Raja Mesir. Number 9, India, the nationality is Indian. Okay, we always hear Indian food or Indian cuisine. Okay, so the nationality for India is Indian. Next one is China. The nationality for China is Chinese. Okay, the Chinese man or the Chinese shop. Okay, kedai Cina. Okay, the Chinese shop. Number 11, Japan. The nationality is Japanese. Okay. Also we have Japanese restaurant in Malaysia, right? Restoran makanan Jepun, Japanese. And the last one is Australia. The nationality is Australian. Okay. The Australian teacher, okay, guru yang berasal dari Australia. Okay, the Australian. So the nationality for Australia is Australian. Okay. So those are all countries and its nationalities, and these are the vocabularies that you should know in this topic, in this subtopic. The first one is people. It refers to a group of people. Okay, people can be singular or plural. Okay, remember that. Next one we have flags. Okay, it refers to the flag of the countries. Okay, bendera, singular flag, plural flags. After that we have sport stars. What do you understand by the term sport stars? Okay, bintang sukan, ahli sukan. Okay, look at the pictures. They are sport stars. And then we have capital. What is the meaning of capital? Capital is referring to the capital city of the country. For example, the capital city for Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur. The capital city for Indonesia is Jakarta. Okay, so capital is ibu negara, right? Okay. Next one we have curry and currency. Okay, curry, we know curry is an Indian cuisine. Okay, makanan India, makanan masyarakat India. Okay, curry. And the last one is currency. What is the meaning of currency? Currency is different from money. Money we refers to duit. Currency is mata wang. For example, the currency of Malaysia is Ringgit Malaysia. the currency of the US American dollar. Okay. The currency for Japan, yen, Y-E-N, yen. Okay. These are the example of currencies around the world. So currency is referring to mata wang. Okay. So that's all for this subtopic, countries and nationalities. So if you have any question, please message me, and thank you. Bye bye.